Let's see how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once the dashboard opens, go to the Contacts module at the top. On the Contacts page, click the blue Create Contact button. From the drop-down arrow, select Import Contacts. The Import page opens. Under the Form File section, click Browse. Then choose the correct file you want to import from your system. Once uploaded, click Next. Now, you'll see options to choose how you want to import. Add as new contacts, update existing contacts only, or both. Select the appropriate option and click Next. You'll now see a details page showing all the fields from your file. Review them carefully. You can even create new fields if needed. Once everything looks good, click Next, then confirm with Yes, Continue, and finally click Finish. A message will pop up saying, Contact import has been scheduled. Click OK, and after a quick refresh, you'll see all your newly imported contacts listed right here in the Contacts page. And that's how you easily import contacts in Zoho CRM. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.